Good morning, students. So today, after a long time, again we will start a new topic, that is a trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay. So under this complementary angles, complementary means what? We know very well. Suppose, let me make you clear about that first of all. Suppose a triangle A, B and C. B and B is a right angle triangle. Okay. So this is theta. So this will be what? We know very well the sum of the three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree. So if this is 90 degree, so this angle plus this angle will be 90 degree. So if this is theta, this will be automatically 90 minus theta. Yes or no? So now some basic formulas are there. Suppose sine 90 degree minus theta, that gives you cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta gives you sin theta. Okay. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta will be cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta will be tan theta. In similar way, sec 90 degree minus theta will be cosec theta. And the last one, cosec 90 degree minus theta equal to sec theta. These are the basic formulas are there. So how to remember these things? How to remember these things? Look at here, one very easy format I am just writing over here for you. Whenever the sine is there, that will convert to cos, and whenever cos is there, that will convert to sine. Look at here, sin 90 minus theta will be gives you cos theta. In similar way, cos 90 minus theta gives you sin theta. That means whenever sine is there, it will convert to cos, and when cos is there, sine. In similar way, when tan is there, that will convert to cot, and when cot is there, that will convert to tan. Tan 90 degree minus theta gives you cot theta, and cot 90 degree minus theta gives you tan theta. And when cosec is there, at that time you will get sec, and when sec is there, you will get cosec here. So this is the just easiest format is there to how to remember. So these are the complementary formulas are there, complementary angles formulas are there under the trigonometric ratios. Correct? Now upon this we will deduce some problems. Okay students? Now students, I have taken 4 maths. Correct? Now I am solving, just check it out how I am going to solve it. So first question is sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree. One thing keep it in your mind students. Whenever there is numerator denominator are there, either you will change numerator or go for the denominator. Don't go for both the things. Either numerator or denominator. Suppose I am going for denominator. So sine 18 degree by cos 72 degree, that can be written as sine 18 degree. I am keeping this one as it is. Cos 72 degree can be written as cos 90 minus 18 degree. Tell me yes or no? Because 90 minus 18 is what? 72 degree. Just look at here. Cos, no change. Only instead of 72 degree, I am writing here 90 minus 18. Because 90 minus 18 is equal to 72 degree. Now look at here. This is okay. Now after that, just few minutes back only I told you cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. So that can be written as sin 18 degree, no change, by sin cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Theta is here 18. So 18 degree. So ultimately you are getting 1. For number 2, tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. Okay students, so here also I can go for the numerator also. Instead of denominator, once denominator I have shown, now I am going to show the numerator. So tan 26 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 64 degree by cot 64 degree. So tan 90 minus theta, because 90 minus 64 degree is equal to 26 degree, no problem. Now tan 90 minus theta means what? Just now we have done cot theta. So theta is here 64 degree, cot 64 degree, and in the denominator already it is there cot 64 degree. So the value is also 1 here. Now for the third one, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So here also, whenever in a same statement it is there, either you go for this one or for this one, correct? Don't apply the formula in both the things. So let us go for here, cos 48 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 42 degree, because 90 minus 42 is equal to 48. I can write in that format, minus sin 42 degree. Okay, so that is equal to sin cos 90 minus 42 means what? Sin 42 minus sin 42 degree, that is equal to 0. So answer will be 0. Now last one, that is cosec 31 degree, cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree, sec 59 degree. Okay, so cosec 31 degree, so cosec 31 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. Okay, so cosec 90 minus 59 means what? Sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree, that is equal to also 0. So I hope it is clear. Okay, I will just show you further more few problems, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, now the next maths I have taken, this maths already came in the year 2001 also. So now look at here, students, how we will proceed. Rewrite the question. Tan 50 degree plus sec 50 degree by cot 40 degree plus cosec 40 degree plus cos 40 degree and cosec 50 degree. Okay, as I told, if you are going to change applying the formula in the numerator, then go for the numerator or denominator, any one. So here also I am just applying the formula in the numerator. So tan 50 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 40 degree, correct? Because 90 minus 40 is 50 degree, plus sec 50 degree can be written as 90 minus 40, once again, whole divided by, same, no change here, cot 40 degree plus cosec 40 degree plus any one. Okay students, don't go for change for both, any one, either this one or this one, that is your choice. So cos 40 degree can be written as 90 minus 50 cosec 50 degree. So now look at here, tan 90 minus 40 means what? Cot 40 degree plus sec 90 minus 40 means cosec 40 degree, and in the denominator whatever it is there, cot 40 degree plus cosec 40 degree plus here cos 90 minus 50 means sin 50 degree multiplied by cosec 50 degree. Okay, so now look at here, numerator and denominator both are same, so that is 1, it will cancel, plus sin 50 degree, sin 50 degree. Now cosec 50 degree, what we know, reciprocal, that means cosec 50 degree means I can write in such a way 1 by sin 50 degree. Why? Because cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So cosec 50 degree equal to 1 by sin 50 degree. Now look at here, sin 50 degree is here also, sin 50 degree here also. So afterwards you will get 1 plus 1. So answer will be 2. I hope it is clear. Now students, another one maths I have taken which is also very much interesting and little tricky. So you will very much gainer from here, and this maths already came in the year 2000 also. So now look at here, 65 degree plus theta, cosec 65 plus theta. So how we will proceed? So just to rewrite the question, cosec 65 degree plus theta minus sec 25 degree minus theta minus tan 55 degree minus theta plus cot 35 degree plus theta. Okay, now 65 can be written as cosec 90 minus 25. Tell me yes or no. Plus theta, because 90 minus 25 degree equal to 65 degree. I can write in such a format. Yes. Okay, now no need to change this one. Sec 25 degree minus theta minus tan. Now 55 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 55 degree, sorry 35 degree, because 90 degree minus 35 degree gives you 55 degree, minus theta plus cot 35 degree plus theta. Okay, now cosec 90 degree minus 25 minus theta. Look at here, just I have same thing I have written, but in an arranging way. How? Just I want to write cosec 90 minus theta in such a format. I have to write, or I want to write. So 90 is already there, minus, if I put within the bracket, so this positive sign will change into negative sign. So 90 minus within bracket 25 minus theta. So we can assume this complete thing as new theta, correct? Minus sec 25 degree minus theta. So same thing we will apply over here also, that is minus tan 90 degree minus 35 degree plus theta plus cot 35 degree plus theta. Look at here, 90 minus 35 minus plus a minus theta. No change at all, but I have written in something different way, so that I can assume this 35 degree plus theta as a new theta. Now this one will be what? If 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta means what? Sec theta. So sec, and here theta means, new theta means this one. So sec what? 25 degree minus theta minus sec 25 degree minus theta. Tell me yes or no. Minus tan 90 minus theta. New theta is this one. So tan 90 minus theta means what? Cot theta, that is 35 degree plus theta, and already it is there, plus cot 35 degree plus theta. So look at here, sec 25 degree minus theta minus sec 25 degree minus theta. So both will cancel out, correct? And here also minus cot 35 degree plus theta plus cot 35 degree plus theta. So one is negative, one is positive. So ultimately you are getting answer 0. Very easy math, but it looks quite difficult. Okay, so I hope it is clear, students. Okay, students, so now look at here, two more interesting questions I have taken. Already it came in the board exam also. So let us start the first one. The first one is what? Tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 65 degree, and tan 85 degree. We have to find the value of this. So that is equal to tan 5 degree, keep it as it is. Tan 25 degree, keep this one also as it is. Tan 30 degree, we know the value, afterwards we will utilize it. Now tan 65 degree. Tan 65 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 25 degree. Yes or no? Tan 90 minus 25 means 65 degree. And next one is tan 85 degree can be written as 90 minus 5 degree. So that is equal to tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 90 minus 25 means cot 25 degree, and here also cot 5 degree. So here only I am doing tan 5 degree, tan 25 degree, keep it as it is. All these are multiplying, and tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is what? 1 by root 3, correct? We know this value from the table. And cot 25 degree can be written as 1 by tan 25 degree. and cot 5 degree can be written as also 1 by tan 5 degree. Yes or no? So now look at here. In the numerator tan 5 degree is there, tan 25 degree is also there. In the denominator also same value is there. So all will cancel out. So just I am writing for your convenience, tan 25 degree whole divided by root 3 tan 5 degree tan 25 degree. So tan 5 degree tan 25 degree, and here also tan 5 degree and tan 25 degree all will cancel out. The remaining value will be just 1 by root 3. This is the final answer. Now the next one. This is the number 1 done. Now the next one. Next one is what? Cot 12 degree, cot 38 degree, cot 52 degree, cot 60 degree, cot 78 degree. Okay students, so in same way, cot 12 degree, cot 38 degree, keep it as it is, cot 52 degree, or cot 52 degree we can change. Cot 52 degree make it change. Okay, cot 52 degree will be 90 minus 38. Cot 60 degree we can put the value afterwards. Cot 60 degree, and cot 78 degree means what? Cot 90 minus 12. So that is equal to cot 12 degree, cot 38 degree, and cot this will be tan 38 degree, and cot 60 degree means 1 by root 3, and cot 90 minus 12 means tan 12 degree. So tan 12 degree and cot 12 degree cancel out, or you can just write here cot 12 degree will be tan 12 degree, here also tan 38 degree multiplied by tan 38 degree into 1 by root 3 into tan 12 degree. Correct? So ultimately you are getting what? Tan 38 degree, tan 12 degree whole divided by root 3 tan 12 degree and tan 38 degree. That means 1 by root 3. So this answer is also 1 by root 3. Okay students, very interesting questions. Both these questions already came in the board exam in the year 2001 in two different sets whose answers are same but questions are different. Okay. Okay students, so similar questions I have taken. Actually, why I have taken these same questions, same type of questions, actually I have just make you understand just before. But why I have taken these questions? These questions already came in the year CBSE 2000. This one also came in the year 2000 in two different sets. Okay, that's why I have taken. So solution. The first one, just write the question: tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 60 degree, which we can write from the table. Next, tan 67 degree and tan 83 degree. Okay. So now proceed. Tan 7 degree, keep it as it is. Tan 23 degree also no change. Tan 60 degree. Tan 67 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 23 degree. And tan 83 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 7 degree. Yes or no? So tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, and tan 60 degree means what? Root 3. Root 3. Tan 90 degree minus 23 degree will be cot 23 degree, and here cot 7 degree. So tan 7 degree and cot 7 degree cancel out. Tan 23 degree and cot 23 will be also cancel out. I am showing you tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, okay, multiplied by root 3, multiplied by 1 by cot 23 degree means what? 1 by tan 23 degree. and here 1 by tan 7 degree. So ultimately you are getting what? Root 3 tan 7 degree tan 23 degree divided by tan 7 degree and tan 23 degree. So this will cancel out. So ultimately you are getting root 3. This is the final answer. And number 2, tan 35 degree tan 40 degree tan 45 degree tan 50 degree and tan 55 degree. Okay students, so here also we will proceed. Tan 35 degree tan 40 degree tan 45 degree is 1 multiplied by tan 50 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 40. Okay, and 55 degree can be written as tan 90 minus 35. Correct? So ultimately you are getting tan 35 degree tan 40 degree multiplied by tan 90 minus 40 means what? Cot 40 degree, and here also cot 35 degree. So ultimately tan 35 degree into tan 40 degree multiplied by 1 by tan 40 degree multiplied by 1 by tan 35 degree. So finally you are getting, these two will cancel out, finally you are getting the answer 1. Okay, so this type of maths, I hope students you can do it now yourself. Okay, now I will just take some different questions, okay, over the same topic. Okay students, now look at here, the first question I have taken here, sin 1 degree, sin 2 degree, sin 3 degree, dot dot dot, sin 180 degree equal to 0. That means here we have to prove it, okay, or we can say evaluate also. LHS is equal to RHS. In similar way, second math is also like that. So let us do the first one. Just I am writing the question. LHS equal to sin 1 degree, sin 2 degree, sin 3 degree, dot dot dot, sin 180 degree. Okay. So how you will proceed? That is equal to sin 1 degree, sin 2 degree, sin 3 degree, dot dot dot, sin 180 degree. Sin 180 degree is what? 0. That means multiplied by 0. So everything is going to be multiplied, because sin 1 degree multiplied by sin 2 degree multiplied by sin 3 degree multiplied by sin 4 degree, dot dot dot, sin 180 degree is equal to 0. So ultimately you are getting 0. Here why 0? Because sin 180 degree equal to 0. So we know very well, whenever 0 is multiplied by any number, the result is 0. So that is equal to 0, equal to RHS. Proved. Next one, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, dot dot dot. This is also LHS. So LHS equal to number 2, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, dot dot dot, tan 89 degree. Okay. So that is equal to tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, dot dot dot, tan 87 degree, tan 88 degree, tan 89 degree. Just I have written 2 more so that it will be more clear to you. Now tan 1 degree. Tan 1 degree can be written as, tan 1 degree can be written as 90 degree minus what? 89 degree. Tan 2 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 88 degree, and tan 3 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 87 degree, dot dot dot, tan 87 degree tan 88 degree and tan 89 degree. Okay, so tan 90 minus 89 is what? Cot 89 degree, cot 88 degree, cot 87 degree, dot dot dot. In such a way we will proceed, and ultimately you are getting what? Ultimately you are getting here what? Tell me. Cot, tan 87 degree, tan 88 degree and tan 89 degree. Okay, yes or no? So everything will be matched. Look at here, cot 89, tan 89 can be matched. So I am just writing togetherly, cot 89 degree and tan 89 degree, because all are multiplications. So I can write 2 into 3 into 4 can be written as 2 into 4 into 3 also. So in such a way I am just taking tan 89 degree beforehand with 89 degree. Similarly, cot 88 degree and tan 88 degree together. Next, cot 87 degree and tan 87 degree. Dot dot dot. Cot 44 degree and tan 44 degree. The remaining term will be left out, that is tan 45 degree, which will not pair. So this pair value is what? 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 dot 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 1 into tan 45 degree is also, just keep it is here, tan 45 degree. Now no need to value. So tan 45 degree. So from the table we get it 1. Yes, which is equal to RHS. Now just taking a different questions. Look at here. If tan 2a, okay, if tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. A means one angle, correct? Any angle. So what we are having here? So we have from the question itself, tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Okay? Yes or no? So tan 2a degree, so that can be written as tan 90 degree minus what? Tan 2a degree can be written as, cot 90 minus 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, because tan 2a degree can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. So now look at here, both the side cot is there, so that can be cancelled. So ultimately you are getting 90 degree minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degree. So what you are getting? A plus 2a equal to 90 plus 18 degree. Yes, that means 3a equal to 108 degree. Okay, and a equal to, finally you are getting 108 degree by 3. Okay, that is equal to 36 degree. You have to find the value of angle A, just you have got it. So though these type of maths are very easy, look at here, very easy, just very simple, but the matter is here what to take and how to proceed. That's the most important here. So tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree, correct? This statement has been given. So you just take this statement and you just change this value of tan 2a into form of cot. Then automatically both the sides cot can be cancelled and you can proceed. Okay, students? Okay, now similar type of maths I have taken another one math. Now look at here. Here also, if sec 4a equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So what we are having here, we have sec 4a equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. Okay, so that can be sec 4a. Sec 4a can be written as what? Cosec 90 degree minus 4a equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. Okay, so in both the side cosec can be cancelled out, so ultimately you are getting 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20 degree. Okay, so that is equal to 90 degree plus 20 degree equal to a plus 4a. That means 5a degree equal to 110 degree, means a equal to 110 degree by 5, that is equal to 22 degree. Okay, fine. Okay, now the another one math I have just taken. Look at here. If sin theta plus 24 degree equal to cos theta, where theta plus 24 degree is an acute angle, we have to find the value of theta. Correct? So what we are having, we have here also is an acute angle. Find the value of theta. So we have actually what? Sin theta plus 24 degree equal to cos theta. So sin theta plus 24 degree equal to sin 90 minus theta degree. Correct? So both the sides sin can be cancelled out. So ultimately you are getting theta plus 24 degree equal to 90 degree minus theta. So that is equal to 2 theta. If you take this theta this side, 2 theta equal to 90 degree minus 24 degree. That is equal to 66 degree. Okay. So 2 theta equal to 66 degree. That means theta equal to 66 degree by 2, that is 33 degree. This is the final answer. So I hope students you are more or less clear about the concept of the complementary angles, and I have discussed lots of problems so that it will be more clear to you. Now in the next video I will just make you understand about the identities of the trigonometric functions. Correct? So which is also very much important. So stay tuned of that and keep on watching. Correct?